Hi guys, I just wanted to show you very quickly how to create a depth effect in Keynote. So what I want to do is I want to have a person riding a horse, and to do this I'm going to use shapes. So if you search for the shape of a person, okay, you get something like this man here. And I also searched for a horse and I chose this one there. Now, if you want to, you can also search people and then come up with a already predefined shape of a man riding a horse, but that doesn't create that nice depth effect that I'm looking for. So instead, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's a little bit tricky, but it is possible. So I'm first going to just delete this shape because we don't need it. And we are going to be working with these two shapes. Now, if I position my horse on the man, other way around, man on the horse, then you can see he's now behind because of the layering. If I tap the little format paintbrush at the top, right, next to the play button, and I go to arrange, the third tab on the right, you'll see that the horse is now in the front. There are two layers and it's in the front. I can move the slider to the back and now the person is in front, but it doesn't really look right. What I want is I want one leg to be in front and one leg to be behind. So in order to do that, I'm just going to move the man back to the back. I'm just going to make sure I position him exactly the way I like, which is there. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to actually duplicate this shape and have another shape of this man. The problem with shapes in Keynote is that you cannot mask them or crop them or edit them. So in order to do that, I need to turn my shape into an image. And the way I would do that is I would drag my photos up from the bottom to make it a slide over window. And as you can see, I've already got one here on the right hand side, but what I would do is I would actually press and hold on my character and just drag him into photos. And what that's done is that's created a photo, an image of my shape. And now I do exactly the opposite and drag the image back into my presentation. And I can get rid of the slide over. What this now allows me to do is to position my image right on top so I can see that it's a perfect match. But what I want to do now is I want to move it just out the way. And now again in my format paintbrush at the top, I'm in the image tab. I want to edit mask. And here I can just crop so I have the leg that I want to now position exactly where I want it to be. So I can move this leg so that it fits nicely on my person. And now, as you can see, it looks like my man is riding with one leg on the front and one leg on the back. I hope that helped. If you've got any questions, ask.